Here's a nice dish that will go with a wintry day. Chicken mince spicy kebabs. What you're going to need, you're going to need some chicken mince, funnily enough. Some chili peppers, use as many or as few as you like. Some fresh ginger. 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. An egg. A lemon. Some fresh coriander. And some spices. Coriander, cumin, chili powder, or you can use paprika if you don't want it too spicy, and some garam masala. First thing we're going to do is put your chicken mince into a food processor, and then we're going to get on with the veg. Give them a wash, rinse, chop, grate, whatever you've got to do, and get them ready, because they're also going in the food processor. All your food nicely chopped and prepared. Time to mix it in with your chicken mince. So first thing that's going in is an egg, which is hopefully going to bind everything together. And then it's in with your spices, cumin, garam masala, chili, coriander and turmeric, which I forgot to mention in the intro. Then into there we're going with the zest off your lemon. Don't use the juice. We're trying to keep the least moisture we can. It's the moisture that makes your kebabs break up, i.e. that they're too wet. So if you can keep down on the moisture, all the better for when you're trying to put them together. Then your garlic, ginger, peppers, chili peppers that is, and your coriander. The only thing not going in yet is your onion, because you're going to fry that, so keep that out of it. Then we're going to give these a good mix, but not too much. We don't want them to form like a paste. We still want them to have a bit of texture, but just whiz them round so they all get mixed together. With your chicken mince all mixed, it's time to just fry off your onion until it goes nicely translucent, just turning brown. When the onions start to go translucent and brown off, take them off the heat and let them cool down a few minutes. When your onions have cooled down a little bit, it's time to put them in with your chicken concoction, and we're going to give them a mix by hand until they're all incorporated. And then finally we're going in with some salt and black pepper, give them a mix, and then we'll be ready to start forming them into kebabs. Into a pan with your oil. I've got odourless coconut oil, but you use whatever you've got to hand. And then we're going to get out about a lemon sized piece of your chicken mince and form it as best you can into little cylindrical like kebab things. Just press your fingers into it. In it goes. I'm just going to keep turning them around 5 or 6 minutes until your chicken's cooked through. When they're cooked through nicely, put them onto a plate, and then all you've got to do is decide what you're going to accompany them with. I think I'll be going with a tortilla wrap and some salad.